Ways to spend less time on lawn care and maintenance. Maintaining a beautiful lawn can be time-consuming, but it doesn't have to be. Various strategies can help you cut down on the hours you spend on lawn care and still achieve a picturesque yard. Whether you're a busy professional or just want more free time, here are some ways to spend less time on lawn care and maintenance. Choose low-maintenance grass. One of the easiest ways to reduce lawn care time is by selecting the right type of grass for your yard. Some grass varieties require less water, mowing, and fertilization than others. For instance, Bermuda grass and zoysia grass have low maintenance needs. These types of grass are drought tolerant and can thrive with minimal intervention. Implement a smart irrigation system. Watering your lawn can be a tedious task, especially if done manually. A smart irrigation system can automate this process, ensuring your lawn gets the right amount of water at the right times. You can program these systems to water your lawn based on weather conditions, soil moisture levels, and your grass type's specific needs. Use mulch to reduce weeds. Weeding can be one of the most labor-intensive aspects of lawn care. Applying mulch to your garden beds and around trees can significantly reduce the time you spend weeding. Mulch acts as a barrier, preventing weed seeds from germinating and growing. Organic mulches such as wood chips, straw, or grass clippings can also improve soil health by retaining moisture and providing nutrients as they decompose. This dual benefit means you'll spend less time watering and fertilizing your lawn. Opt for native plants. Incorporating native plants into your lawn and garden can drastically reduce maintenance time. Native plants have adaptations for the local climate and soil conditions, making them more resilient and causing them to require less care. They typically need less water, fertilizer, and pest control compared to non-native species. Hire a professional. Sometimes the best way to reduce lawn care time is to hire a professional landscaping service. Professionals have the expertise and equipment to efficiently handle all aspects of lawn maintenance, from mowing and trimming to fertilizing and pest control. Investing in professional lawn care can ultimately save you time, money, and effort in the long run. Maintaining a beautiful lawn doesn't have to be a time-consuming chore. By implementing these strategies, you can spend less time on lawn care and more time enjoying your outdoor space. Remember, a well-maintained lawn not only enhances your home's appearance, but also provides a pleasant environment for relaxation and recreation.